This is a lovely little heater. I like it because it's quiet. That's as much sound as it makes. It's easy to use. It's got different settings. That, I believe, is just the fan. That is the heat setting, which can go up or down. And that's the eco setting. And you can set the thermostat whichever way you want. And let's see. I'm not sure what this is. That's a timer, I believe. I don't think I've used that yet. Minus 62 plus 62. I don't know what that means. But I like it because it's very quiet. And the regular eco setting, it's on temperature. Oh, no, it's a timer. Okay. Yeah, it's easy to use. I just haven't really used all the settings. I like the eco. It goes off automatically when it feels like it's at that temperature. And when you turn it off, think, it does its own little countdown to cool the coil.
Okay, here is the space heater. It is pretty small, but pretty compact, but it still produces great heat. This is my first space heater, so I have nothing to compare it to, but overall I've been really happy because it produces great heat. It heats up the room super fast, and it's not loud at all. It has just a subtle noise to it. So I'm gonna turn it on for you real quick. Everything is located at the top. Right there, it is telling me the temperature that I set it to for the heat for it to produce. I can adjust it at the top. It goes all the way up to 95. I can turn it down. I also can set a manual timer. So basically this is saying in 2 hours, the space heater will shut off automatically. So I am stepping away from the heater.
Okay, so for anybody interested in purchasing this, it's smaller than you might think. I mean, maybe I don't know. I expected it to be a lot bigger. So it's pretty small, but I haven't tried it yet. I'm sure it'll do the job just fine. I got the gold. It's literally not gold. It's literally silver. It's literally not gold. Where is the gold? It's literally not gold. But yeah, so this is the size. My hand for reference. It's pretty small and it's not gold.
It's an absolute yes. So if you really want to cool your room, living room or whatever down, this setting here, the eco, this blows like the most air. Like if you put it on high, not the fan, well this is a good setting too, but if you put it on this setting, it's not going to be blowing as much air and it's not going to warm up the room as quickly.
So this is how small it is. It reminds me of like a Bluetooth speaker. And this is what I was talking about with the buttons. When it's dark, you can't see up here. So like the marker could fix it. It's easy to turn on. I could already feel it already. It's nice. And then when you turn it off, look at that. It has
about this one. It's great. It heats up my whole